I always say, first thing first, what are you accustomed to when you're in med school right now or you're studying? Are you studying based on subjects? Are you studying based on organ systems? Because learning by subjects, I'll draw a diagram. I like to be very visual. This is by subjects. This is your start, and this is your finish. So there is physiology, there is pathology, there, etc., etc. They're going what I call vertically. Organ system is going like this. So it's going up, but horizontally. Now, if you're not accustomed to that, don't change it now because it leads to a lot of problems. Right now, continue doing it subject matter. That's my advice. So do physiology, do pharmacology, do etc. each subject. All right. Now, when do you integrate? When do you integrate it? At the end. I say in the last month of the exam, before the exam, this is when you do what we call what I call mixed integrated questions. So in other words, you are going to do organ system, not by reading it, organ system, but through the eyes of questions, through swimming, through application. Most effective, most smart way to do it. But that's at the end of your finishing the vertical subject studies, at the end of it.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.